Welcome back to Gun Reviews and History, the place where firearm lovers, collectors, hunters, and enthusiasts come together to explore the world of guns from past to present. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our deep dives, breakdowns, and honest reviews. Today we're taking a closer look at a rifle that continues to earn respect year after year. We're talking about the 2026 Ruger American Rifle, a model that carries forward the legacy of reliability, affordability, and practical accuracy that Ruger has become known for. The Ruger American Rifle has always been a favorite for hunters, entry-level marksmen, and everyday shooters who want serious performance without paying high-end prices. The 2026 version stays true to that philosophy while bringing along a few improved touches that make it even more appealing in today's shooting market. Ruger has a long history of creating rifles that are simple, rugged, and built to perform in real-world environments, and this model keeps that tradition alive. So let's start with the basics. The 2026 Ruger American Rifle maintains the same lightweight, ergonomic platform that shooters love. The synthetic stock is weather-resistant and designed to handle tough conditions, whether you're trekking through wet woods, snowy terrain, or dusty open land. The grip and forend have been slightly improved with better texturing, giving you a more secure hold, especially during long hunts or when wearing gloves. Ruger knows shooters needed just a bit more traction and they delivered it without adding extra weight. One of the standout features of the 2026 model is still the Ruger Marksman adjustable trigger. This trigger system allows shooters to fine-tune the trigger pull between approximately 3 to 5 pounds, giving you the control needed for precise shooting. Combined with a crisp break and minimal over travel, it helps new and experienced shooters maintain consistency shot after shot. It's one of the reasons the Ruger American has been loved for so long. Accuracy has always been at the core of this rifle's reputation, and the 2026 version continues to deliver. Ruger's cold hammer forged barrel ensures long-term durability and excellent accuracy, while also making cleaning and maintenance easier. The barrel is free-floated and paired with Ruger's power bedding system. If you're not familiar with power bedding, it's a bedding block design that locks the action firmly into the stock while keeping the barrel floating freely. That means improved barrel harmonics, less shifting, and more consistent accuracy in real shooting situations. Whether you're going for deer, hogs, coyotes, or long-range paper targets, the 2026 Ruger American Rifle chamber options continue to cover all the essentials. Ruger offers this rifle in popular calibers like .243 Winchester, .270 Winchester, .308 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, and .3006 Springfield. These remain crowd favorites because they offer versatility, stopping power, and solid ballistic performance. Ruger also understands that modern shooters demand modern compatibility. The 2026 model uses a detachable box magazine system that is easy to load, quick to replace, and reliable in feeding rounds. Depending on the caliber, magazines typically hold between 3 to 5 rounds. It's not designed for rapid tactical shooting, but for hunting and precision shooting, it works flawlessly. When it comes to optics, Ruger knows most shooters today prefer scopes, so the rifle includes a factory-installed one-piece Picatinny scope rail. This makes mounting your favorite scope or red dot easier and more secure. The rail system adds strength and ensures your optic stays zeroed even after heavy use or rough handling outdoors. The recoil pad is also updated for 2026, offering softer impact absorption without feeling mushy or unstable. Ruger wanted to create a smoother shooting experience, and the improvement is noticeable, especially with larger calibers like .3006 or .308. Now, let's talk about the question everyone wants to know, the price. The 2026 Ruger American Rifle remains one of the best values on the market. The price for the newest model averages between $549 to $639 in the United States, depending on the caliber and specific variant. Some models with upgraded stocks or finishes may go slightly higher, but even then, they stay well within the affordable range compared to other bolt-action rifles offering similar performance. That affordable price point is what continues to make the Ruger American Rifle one of the most popular entry-level hunting rifles in the country. It's accurate, durable, easy to use, and budget-friendly without sacrificing quality. For new shooters, it's a perfect first hunting rifle. For experienced hunters, it's a reliable tool you won't worry about scratching, carrying through mud, or tossing in the back of the truck. So if you're someone looking for a dependable bolt-action rifle for hunting season, outdoor adventures, or just some weekend range time, the 2026 Ruger American Rifle is absolutely worth considering. Ruger has once again delivered a product that stands tall in performance while keeping the price within reach, and that's why this rifle continues to dominate its category. Thanks for watching Gun Reviews in History. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and drop a comment letting us know which firearm you want us to cover next. Until next time, stay safe, shoot responsibly, and keep the passion alive.